small, but I like that I have it on one page. Monthly tasks on one page. And so that I can track them, but it's a lot of work for just those tasks. I think I will have them like from like 3 months, and then all the tasks I want to do here, and then I can cross them off a bit bigger. And the weekly ones, a big key. Maybe I need the key in the beginning of all the trackers. Daily ones. Yeah, also the key maybe in the beginning. Period. Yes, it works. I take a pill now that makes it a light. That's great. The lives. Yeah, so the period tracker and the lives. I will migrate to the new journal. Get one of my planners now, either on Shopify or on Amazon, or check out my sticker sheets. They are very beautiful. All links, as always, in the description. And now have a lot of fun. Yeah, and I like this a bit, but it's still too messy. An overview of 1 week and all the tasks here. For example, I did the rest of the tasks of yesterday, today during breakfast, which is all these shorts. I also did those shorts. And I did not do the live because I want a new life structure, a new program for my months of lives. How's that? Yeah, the overview of the tasks again. I realized that the publishing, everything goes to Facebook in the end. The blog post goes to Facebook, the blog post goes to Insta, and then from Insta to Facebook, and the blog post goes to TikTok and then to Facebook. So Facebook is the end. Yeah, I might need this. Didn't like this overview. Didn't like this. See how I try to find a new fresh page every time? This is also an overview of maybe the first month. Okay, so that's the flip through. And now this one that I will launch on September 30th on Amazon, and I wanted something very colorful which I can use like a table. So I used the rainbow colors, and yeah, okay, well, I will show you a free page. And it was very rainy, and I take my planners everywhere, so they get the paper is damaged a bit. So I want to use a full spread, like a table, like this, for one project in 6 languages. Or if it's a Polyglot Pocket Love It video, I know that I wanted to keep one of those. Oh, I have the tabs on 2 different sides. I have this page, you know. Oh, it's in the one I created. So, can you remember the page? It's here. So I want to use one spread for Polyglot Mona with those 6 languages for one video, for one episode of a series, and then I want to use 6 such spreads for one episode of Polyglot Pocket Love It. And I will show you, because I already started. I will show you all the series again so that you can see. No, that's not the series. That's also not serious. I need an overview of all my series. I know I had one. Here. No, that's blog posts. Incredible. I had one, I know it. Okay, I will show you on my phone. So I have 1000 verbs, 1000 nouns, 1000 stories, 1000 topics, 1000 prayers. Those are bilingual for Polyglot Pocket Love It, and then for Polyglot Mona, poems, hiking guide, planning, book summaries, sugar-free happy life, conclusion, hygiene, nomad, Q&A, 365 steps, happiness, health, relaxation, and learning. So, and the first one here, yeah, I know it's very damaged and it's not beautiful anymore, and there's bleed through and so on. And the tables are not beautiful and neat and so on. Maybe that's why I don't use it, because it's not pretty. I ruined it. But this would be what I would want, but neater. So this is the production, and this is the selling part. So document, audio, film, presentation, editing. That's 2 different editing programs, because in Canva I do one version which is perfect, which is with the audios of native speakers, and I do a second version where I speak in 6 languages, and I film it with the GoPro and I edit it with iMovie. Then I upload them to YouTube, and then the first link goes to Patreon. And then for the ebooks I make in Canva, I will upload them to Shopify and to Google Drive so that I can sell them on eBay also. And for the ebook I make in the document, in both ebooks I need this YouTube link, so that in the ebook there's always the YouTube link, and then it goes as EPUB to Amazon KDP and is available on Kindle. And then when those 3 ebooks and the 2 videos are ready, I can make the blog post, and the blog post link goes to Insta, Facebook and TikTok with some pictures about my life in my car. And then in the end I will also put it on my app, which is not ready yet, but yeah, that's the plan. And then the next project is then of the series 365 steps. And by the way, the smileys are the completed steps. And then Nomad in Europe is another series. And one is hygiene while living in a car. Conclusion after 4 years of living in a car. I live in my car. I've lived in my car since 2018. So that's 6 years now. So this was the conclusion after 4 years, and I've not even completed it all. Q&A about living in my car. Book summaries, poems, planning, sugar-free happy life, and then all the bilingual videos. So for the verbs, I have 1 page for German. That's always 5 combinations. And then 1 page for English, 5 combinations, for French, for Spanish, for Italian, for Russian. And then that's the next episode of another series. The first episode of prayers. German, English, French, Spanish, Italian, Russian. And then the next series is 1000 stories. That's the first story. In German, all the 5 combinations. English, French, Spanish, Italian, Russian. And then the nouns. German, English, French, Spanish, Italian, Russian. And then the topics. For example, to present yourself. German, English, French, Spanish, Italian, Russian. And then comes the second episode of each series. I know it's a lot. And I know it's not as beautiful as I wanted it. But I have to use this now. I also glued those pages together because I messed it up totally, and I don't know, there was too much rain on the book, so I have to glue it again. It's messy already, so it won't be beautiful ever again, and I don't know how to protect this book. I would need a case or something for it, but I haven't one yet. And I don't like the bleed through, but I like the very strong colors like red and blue. And then I changed it up, so I said, okay, 1 in red, then 1 in blue, and then 1 in green, and then let's start with red again. Red, blue, green, red, blue, green. Yeah. So, yeah. And my goal is to complete 1 spread and then go over to the next one. So, yeah. But I also need the habits, the routines